right before our juice evaporates from all of our broccoli, I'm going to add this celery, and I'm adding celery last because I want to give our vegetables just a little bit of crunch because our chicken's going to be very soft. And so we'll stir this around, okay? Our sauce here. As you remember, we didn't add anything spicier than black pepper to it, but it will have just a little bit of spice to it, just a little bit of kick. All right, we're going to take our cinnamon rice. The liquid has absorbed. So we'll play this on. This should be just a little bit sticky with the sugar that we added. We'll give our vegetables one last stir. So I'm going to put these kind of in layers so that we get some of the broccoli, and then with the mushrooms and the celery over them, and then some nice bright green broccoli on that. And if you have any of that juice left, you're going to want to dribble that right over the top of your broccoli. Right now we will give our chicken a final stir, and we will try and get a nice scoop of all the colors, the reds, the greens, and the browns. And we'll try and make sure that we get a piece of basil over the top so that can be seen. So here we are, our Thai-style basil with cinnamon rice and our soy and ginger broccoli.